Welcome to our YouTube Shorts series, where we explore the top 5 mistakes at work that can block our growth. In today's episode, we will discuss these common pitfalls and provide valuable insights on how to overcome them. Many individuals fail to set clear goals for themselves, which can hinder their progress and development. We will delve into the importance of goal setting and provide practical tips on how to define and achieve your objectives. Time is a precious resource, and mismanaging it can lead to decreased productivity and missed opportunities. We will share effective time management techniques that can help you optimize your workflow and accomplish more in less time. Communication is key in any workplace, and misunderstandings or misinterpretations can hinder collaboration and hinder growth. We will explore the art of effective communication and provide strategies to enhance your interpersonal skills. In today's fast-paced world, adaptability is crucial for personal and professional growth. We will discuss the importance of embracing change and provide tips on how to navigate through transitions with ease. Taking care of your physical and mental well-being is essential for long-term success. We will emphasize the significance of self-care and provide practical self-care practices that can enhance your overall performance and well-being. By avoiding these common mistakes and implementing the strategies we discuss, you can unlock your full potential and pave the way for personal and professional growth. Stay tuned for our upcoming episodes, where we will continue to explore valuable insights and tips to help you thrive in the workplace. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to never miss an episode.